Welcome back to the Iconic Brand Breakdown series. In this episode, I want to break down how Scrub Daddy scrubbed its way to the top, literally. Okay, so let's talk about it. You've probably seen the little yellow sponge all over TikTok, dancing, making memes, calling it Salt Pop for being an ad. It's kind of genius. What they did wasn't just go viral. They understood the assignment. They made content for the platform and for the people who use it. So let's break it down. They knew exactly who they were talking to. So instead of making videos for like mom shopping for sponges, they went straight for Gen Z, TikTok. And they weren't trying to hide the fact that it was a brand doing marketing. They basically leaned into it and said, yeah, this is a paid ad, but it's funny and weird, so just watch it. And that worked because TikTok hates fake. They love brands that just get it and don't take themselves too seriously. The content is chaotic, but it's strategic. You've got mascots dancing, ASMR cleaning sounds, duets, drama, Duolingo. It looks like chaos, but underneath it, it's really smart branding. They built a personality around the product, and it's memorable. You're not forgetting that smiling sponge. What you can take from this. So what you can actually take from this, if you're not a sponge brand with a TikTok budget, first, speak to the right people on the right platform. And second, don't be afraid to have a personality. People scroll past generic. They stop for something real, something funny, something that feels like it gets them. And if you want help figuring out how your brand could show up online like this, that's what we do. Build a brand people actually talk about. webcontentdevelopment.com.